A very good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. And in English today, I'm going to discuss a new poem, Lesson 7 of your English reader books. The title of the poem is I Wander. Actually, I'm very impressed with the title of the poem, I Wander, because in our routine life, in our daily life, we wonder about many things. Wonder is, what does wander means? To think surprisingly. When I realize that I'm getting surprised with something, if I'm acknowledging something very nice, very good, that is called wonder. So let's read the poem and then I'll be explaining it. As the first line says, sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake, what is in the water? Is it real or fake? So these lines says, I really wonder about what? Whenever a person, whosoever is the speaker of this poem, if that sits near a lake, then he starts realizing what is in the water. Have you ever realized whenever we sit close to nature, whenever we start observing the water, the mountains, the river, whenever we start observing the nature, it gives immense pleasure as well as we feel calm and relaxed. So, what is it all about? It's observing the nature, especially the water. Is it real or fake? Is the water in the lake seems to be real? As the water seems to be very calm, very peaceful. Whenever you sit near that area, you will really feel so relaxed, so refreshed, and you may start thinking so deeply there, sitting there. Why so? Because of that peaceful environment we get whenever we sit there. It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. It slides, it glides. And here you are given with the word meaning of glide is move smoothly. When something moves very smoothly, so the water in the lake slides, make slides. Have you seen the slides on your computer or somewhere else? If one picture comes after the another. So if you have seen that water waves makes a slide format there and it glides as it moves very smoothly. When I move, it hides. So when that person, whosoever is sitting there and talking about this poem, when he moves, that water starts, it hides. Hides what? Let me show you the picture clearly. As you can see, here is the moon, and the shadow of the moon can be seen in the water in the lake. And once the person starts moving a little, the shadow will be disappeared. You can try it. You can see this shadow in any of the bucket or any, you can take water in any of the container and can see the shadow of the moon in the night. You can try it. It will really get disappeared whenever we start moving. If we start locating it from the different positions, once we change our position, the moon slides and glides as well. So it's fun. I would like if you do this. Then further he adds, I wonder if it's the moon. I wonder means, as I have told you, that seems to be a pleasure surprise. Wonder means heran hona. So here the speaker of the poem is getting surprised. He wonders for what? If it is the moon, क्या वो मून है भी? एज आई डोंट सी इट एट नून, क्योंकि वो नून में यानी कि मिड डे टाइमिंग्स में तो हमें नहीं दिखता है. मिड डे टाइमिंग्स में, एज यू ऑल नो, moon is there in the sky, but we are not able to see moon during the day timings. So here the speaker of the poem says कि उसे हैरानी होती है इस बात पर कि मून है भी ये या नहीं, just because he is not able to see it at noon. So this is a very cute small poem of I Wonder. This is lesson 7 of your English reader books. I hope it is clear. I have made the words clear to you. And let's discuss the comprehension given at the bottom. Fill in the blanks. The boy is sitting near a dash. It's quite easy. Near a lake. He is looking at the moon in the water, not at the sky. Not in the sky. He is looking at the moon in the water. It is dash time. Daytime or night time? Which time they are talking about? This is night time. And then the moon and the dash are in the sky. Beside moon, what we can see in the sky here in this picture? Stars. What are they? Stars. In the sky, we are observing the stars. Otherwise, if I talk about picture, there are mountains, there are trees, the grass area, the water, and the boy is feeling very happy looking at the moon's shadow in the water. So I hope you are clear with this poem. Just go through the reading thoroughly, underline the new words, and if you still find any doubt, you may ask me. Have a good day, students.